Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve, your host. In our continuing Sunday side build, we are doing Italeri's Leo 1A4. It's a good looking kit. It's building up well. And in this segment, we are working on the upper hull. There's a lot of on-vehicle equipment that goes with it. It's almost like when you've got to stop the Warsaw Pack at 8 o'clock in the morning, but you got to be in the garden for your wife at 5 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy the video. You guys have a great day. Thank you. All right, here we are. Welcome back to Sunday Side Build, and we are moving forward with our Italeri 1A4. It's a really nice kit. I haven't had any fit issues yet. The parts look nice. They've cleaned up well, and the attachment points are well laid out on the hull. As you can see, the Leo 1A4 comes with a lot of on-vehicle equipment. I don't ever recall seeing a tank with this much on-vehicle equipment on it. And you've got stuff here on the back. You've got some things here on the side. You've got a shovel, axe, gun cleaning stuff, wire cutters, another hatchet. This box is represented on both sides. I'm not sure what goes in that box. I imagine it's more equipment for vehicle maintenance. You get a neat little feature here. You have an insert for the cooling fan for the engine, and it traps the screen against the upper hull, so you just have to cut this out. Not really a problem. I got a bit lazy. I didn't paint the fan. I don't think in the big scheme of things that'll make a big difference. I worked on the turret this weekend, and I was very happy with the way this came together. This is a really odd shaped looking turret. If you're used to the Leo with a cast turret, this is a really odd shaped turret. But what you get is you get the lower piece here. You have these two cheek pieces, which I was somewhat concerned about, but they had a very positive fit in the hull. Plus, they mount it's the gun mount, so the fit here is really good. It's a solid connection, and then you drop the upper onto it, and you glue it up, and it comes together very well. This piece back here, this section, it's a number of pieces. You get 4 walls that you put in this opening. You've got one here, one there, and there's 2 underneath this. I'm not sure what these guys are, but they go in there. But what you have to do is you have to make sure that they don't impede the fit of this. You've got this hatch here on hinges, and it drops down, and it's got tabs on the inside that slot in between the I don't know if you can see it or not, the walls that you installed earlier. So just watch the fit on that, and you should be fine. Try to do it all around in the same session so the glue hasn't set, and you can kind of move those guys to the side, or just move them a bit to get the hatch to fit correctly. Then you get this back piece, and that fit really well. No problems at all. This is a very good kit, 1977, and it's a pretty amazing fit. The instructions, I think, are well laid out. Yeah. So if you're building this, I hope you enjoy it. I've been enjoying it. It's a nice Sunday side build, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. All right then, take care. Bye now.